improvement. Let's take a look. Thanks to unique and innovative technology. The plate moves forward to receive the item and transports it in the right position to be wrapped, which enables stable and consistent wrapping. The machine can also wrap produce of varying shapes and sizes with a beautiful finish thanks to Digi's advanced technology. Additionally, an advanced heat sealing method ensures that only the film is heated, so the product is kept in top quality. Digi's unique technology ensures that the produce is wrapped consistently with a beautiful finish. For creative product packaging ideas, check out Part 3 in this video series.